have another example. So we are asked to convert 1011.101 base 2 to base 10. In order to do this, I'm going to say 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 0 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 0 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2. Once again, 1 multiplied by base, which is 2, plus 0 multiplied by the base. The base is 2, so we use 2, like that. Now, the next thing here is to give them power. Let's look at how we are going to give it power. Here, now, these numbers, we have this before the decimal points, before these points. So if I'm to give it power now, I'm going to give them power separately. For this one now, this is the whole number. Why this is the decimal? This is the decimal number, the numbers after the points. All right, now, so I'm going to give this 0, 1, 2, 3, which simply means that this is going to have the power of 3, this is going to have the power of 2, this is going to have the power of 1, this is going to have the power of 0. Now we are left with this 101. Now because this one is a decimal number, so we have, it's just like saying 0.101. So I'm going to give this one now raised to the power of -1 so that I can see it clearly. Power of -2, power of -3. So I will come here now. 1 multiplied by base, which is 2. So I'm going to have -1 raised to the power of -1. 0 multiplied by 2, -2. And the last one, 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2. So I will give it this power, -3. Very good. Now we are done with the first step. Now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to say 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, plus 0 multiplied by 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2, plus 1 multiplied by anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of -1. In indices, for example, if I have a raised to the power -1, it simply means 1 all over e. So let's say 1 all over e raised to the power of 1. So this minus here has changed to 1 all over. So a raised to the power 1 is now at the denominator. So which simply means 2 raised to the power -1 is going to be 1 all over 2 raised to the power 1. Okay? Plus 0 multiplied by 1 all over 2 raised to the power 2. So since this one is 2 raised to the power 1, 1 over 2 raised to the power 1, then this one will be 1 all over 2 raised to the power 2. Plus 1 multiplied by 1 all over 2 raised to the power 3. Alright, so the next thing, 1 times 8, 8, plus 0 times 4, 0, plus 1 times 2, 2, plus 1 times 1, 1, plus 1 times 1 all over 2 raised to the power 1, that is 1 all over 2, plus 0 times 1 all over 2 raised to the power 2, that is 0, plus 1 times 1 all over 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 is 1 over 8. So 1 times 1 all over 8 is 1 all over 8. Alright, so 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. Now 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 8. Let's do it here. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 8. The SCM is 8. 2 in 8, 4. 4 times 1, 4. 8 in 8, 1. 1 times 1, 1. That is 5 over 8. So that is going to be 11. That is 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 8, that is 5 over 8. So that means this is going to give us 5. This is going to give us 11 whole number. Let me write it here. 11 whole number, 5 over 8. Okay. Another thing, if you are using calculator, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 8 is going to give you 5 over 8. But you can also convert it to decimal number. So if you convert it to decimal number, this is going to be 11 plus 5 over 8 will give you 0.625. So when you add it together, you are going to get 11.625. So that means your answer is either 11 whole number 5 over 8 or 11.625. Alright, so that is how to solve questions like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in my next video.